It was a very quick morning in court today, but we do know things are really going to pick up tomorrow. That's when the evidentiary portion of this hearing begins.
There's some consequences for these actions.
Those words coming Monday morning from Stephen Quick, the father of Caleb Quick. Minutes before the person suspected of driving the getaway car in his son's murder last year came before a judge, sitting silently alongside her attorneys.
It's been a long time coming, almost a year. So yeah, I'm looking forward to the next step, and this is the next step in this process.
Our cameras were not allowed inside the courtroom where the Quick family huddled together at the back of the room. Stephen says it's still difficult to wrap his brain around what happened to his son. So heading into this week, he wants a few questions answered.
Why didn't you stop? Why did you continue through this? What led you to do this? I'm sorry you thought that this was a response that warranted you taking out my son.
The transfer hearing is expected to last for 5 days, where the judge looks over evidence to decide whether the case will be moved to adult court. Local criminal defense attorney David Mugridge says the primary thing the court must weigh is whether or not the person accused can be rehabilitated.
By virtue of the fact that you're dealing with a homicide, it's hard to say that a young child could be totally rehabilitated by the age of 25.
He expects the court to look over a variety of different factors, including the age of the girl when the crime happened.
Are there some facts and circumstances surrounding the case that kind of point the picture that this really is a juvenile who, wouldn't have happened but for the fact that he's a young kid and he wasn't thinking straight.
What sets juvenile and adult court apart is how much time the defendant will serve and who makes the final decision.
You could get a life term in an adult court. But the difference, though, you now have a right to a jury trial, and you're entitled to that unanimous verdict of guilty.
Stephen believes the chance for those charged in his son's killing to return back into society shouldn't be an option.
You shouldn't get 3 to 4 years and get put back into the population.
So the defense is requesting cameras be barred from the courtroom for the duration of this transfer hearing. We'll find out the judge's decision on that issue tomorrow morning. Reporting live in the studio, Sydney Charles, KSEE24, local news that matters.